your everyday detailer.
Man, it's your boy, your everyday detailer, and I'm back with my second video back, man. And today we in the big boy 2023 Chevy Silverado, man, with that gigantic screen. Look at that baby, man. Hit all the buttons, bow, 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 going crazy on the screen, man. Let me stop. Look at that. So sexy. Let me put her in park, man. You know what I'm saying? Shaking the truck already. It's got a 17.8 miles per gallon. It's got a 424 miles range, man. It's got these comfortable looking seats. Your lock buttons on the thing. Not the thing, man. Your door panel, you got a Bose speaker down there. Ooh, Bose. Nice big back seat. Huge back seat, to be honest with you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. And I do like how this up here is soft. It's not all crazy hard. Put those down because it's about to get clean, man. Love this, love that. How all this is like nice, you know, big cup holders. Nice. I don't know what you're gonna use that for. Let's see what it's in here. Got that new updated phone charging port with the actual plug-in over there. That's dope. Look at this right here, man. Somebody always leaving some change in the car. Don't mind if I do. Got seats and mats that come in the back, man. And I guess without further ado, I'll get you guys in the bay over there and show you guys the inside of this thing. Excuse me, the outside. Let's get to it. I will show you guys the outside of that thing, man. And thank God she's huge because it's easier to get in the camera. Big, aggressive Silverado grill. Busting white lights, man. Silverado on this side, too. It's long. It's really a huge, big truck. Gang. It's your everyday detailer, man. And I skipped that part just to get to the vacuuming, man, because I had a lot of vacuuming to do in the inside of this one. It's pretty clean, pretty new, to be honest with you, man. It's pretty fast. If you touch the gas pedal, it's going to throw you back. So I did like that, man. Beautiful screen, as y'all guys seen, man. And I took my time with this one, as I take my time as long as I can with all of them. But continue to enjoy the show. And let me know what you guys think about my cleaning, my camera, and my editing, and anything, man. Just give me all your comments. I love that y'all watch, and I'm going to continue to post every day because, hey, I want to make it just like the other guys that I watch on TV every day. Thanks.